that globe, you know exactly where we are. Well, of course, there's words on there also, but yeah. Say hi, everybody. And it looks like they're filming something over there.
Today is my grandma's last day of staying here in California.
In America.
America.
In the US.
Yes.
It's Woody! And a girl Woody. My name is Woody! I'm gonna go over there and harass them. It's Woody! Yeah, it's awkward. I'm just standing here with my camera on.
Awesome! What a perfect way to start! It's in the Philippines with my mom. It's been magnetized and it's on top of the
20 years later.
Yeah, so a little bit over 20 years later. Oh! It's Doc!
That's so cool. I really want to go.
Yeah, let's go.
Like, I would have bad dreams and stuff when I was a kid.
This is a walkthrough of bad dreams right here.
How are we gonna run away with your lights on? Best walkthrough ever.
I know.
Oh my god. The Walking Dead.
Wow, that was amazing.
Oh man, that was
But
awesome.
it was so scary. They tried to touch you.
Yeah, they tried to grab after you. It was awesome.
No, but like, while you were walking through, it was super scary because there was like a bunch of them.
Yep.
And then sometimes they would like pop out at you and then try to touch you like what?
And they tried to grab her because her lights were on her shoes. So they were attracted to those lights.
It's just water.
Sorry.
Come on, you ready? Back up, come here. I'll come to you.
Oh no! Oh no! Want to see something really creepy? She's saying bye to her Lola. Okay, bye, Mom.
Bye, Mom.
I think you can go through walls in this one. You gotta try it out. That's why they're standing in line. I'm gonna get 2 magic wands and then use it as chopsticks. Look at this over here. So what'd you think?
That was awesome.
That was awesome, huh? One of the best rides here ever.
look like. So cool.
You guys gotta go. I'm not even gonna spoil anything for you guys. You guys gotta come here and watch it yourselves. All right, so we're here trying to get a magic wand. Look, check this out. Watch. And it's moving. All you have to do is swing that around or point at it and it starts to move. It's amazing. I think that's what we're gonna get for her. That's what she wants. Baby girl, did you want the personalized one with the magic?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, let's get you the magic one.
The wand that has chosen you is made of holly, excellent for enhancing other magic as well as a bit of invulnerability. That tells me that you must have great leadership qualities.
How do I know which one I want? Is there like? Start looking.
Start looking. There should be like a list. Yeah.
So far from this one, I like this. So far, but I'm still looking.
What'd you find?
For that one, I like Holly.
Holly?
So Holly and Ash so far.
All right.
What does
Or the vine.
what is? They are also prone to burn the candle at both ends. What does that mean?
What?
They are also prone to burn the candle at both ends. What does that mean?
Oh, it's too powerful. When you're trying to light the candle, it'll burn both ends of it. That's what that is. And finally, she found it.
Ooh, that's nice. I saw that earlier.
Nice, huh? Ow. It's not very nice. It's very violent. Which one did you choose?
Holly.
Holly. And what did the holly say?
It said something about leadership and generosity.
Okay, so we're right here, right? Are we?
So go ahead, try it out on the windows. Go ahead, baby girl. Are you sure that thing chose you? Wow, let's see where my magical receipt is. Everybody here has magic wands. If you don't have a magic wand, you're not cool.
This is so cool. This is so cool. I don't even know what to say. Just amazing.
Yeah, you love it?
Yeah.
I didn't get a thank you for it again.
You won't get one because it's mine. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Love you.
Love you too.